Hi, my name is Michelle Alva, and I'm here to talk to you today about female ejaculation. In the slang term, it's called squirting. A lot of women think that they can't squirt, or they're confused with sometimes they feel like they're gonna pee, or they feel like something's gonna happen down there, a different kind of orgasm, and a lot of women hold back. And so I'm here to let you know, ladies, that there are some steps that you can take to liberate yourself. And gentlemen, there's things that you can learn to support a woman to go through this challenge of total surrender and release. It truly is a very healing experience also, because to heal means to become whole, and it's also all about release, surrendering, allowing. When a woman squirts, when she has fluids ejecting from her body, it is like a gush of freedom that just escapes you. Can you imagine so many of us are going around so tensed up, locked down, literally, that we become very disconnected from our bodies and we don't get to experience the richness, the fullness of our freedom. Many of us are holding on to shame and guilt like I did and have no idea that we're even doing that. And so that gets in the way a lot of being able to be really fully free to express your sexual power. And as a result of that, we also limit our creativity, our ability to receive, our ability to have abundance flowing in our lives. And so when a woman squirts, it's an opportunity for her to practice complete openness, vulnerability. Being able to radiate her juices out is a way of her owning her space and her power. And it's something that my body has progressively learned to do very easily, actually, at this point in my life. It's as though your muscles of your brain get conditioned to squirt, and then it becomes very easy. And I definitely feel 10 to 20 years younger. Well, actually 20 years younger, because I'm 46. So I feel like I'm 28, and I notice for me the changes in my tension in my body also. It's so beautiful when a woman can release from her deepest parts. The thing that happens is a lot of times women also have a cathartic emotional release, because for some women they have never let go, ever. Some women have never even had an orgasm. Some statistics say that 70% of women don't even know how to orgasm. And that's why I'm here. I am a support for you. I'm a coach, I'm a guide. I'm an expert in this area of the body. Personally and professionally, I have a solid science background where I learned about the anatomy, the biomechanics, the mechanics of how these muscles work also to help us to ejaculate fluids. And so this Thursday, April 16, I'm going to be offering a class, and it's called Squirting 101, and it's all about a woman getting connected to the precursors to squirting. There's things that have to happen, there's conditions that a woman can become aware of, creating in herself to open herself to the release of female fluids. And it's not about making her squirt, gentlemen, and it's not, ladies, about making yourself squirt. It's actually about letting go of all the blocks that are keeping you from feeling that surge and releasing, allowing, surrendering to that release of fluids. So I would love to share with you more about exactly what it means to squirt and how the body does this, and some cool facts about it. So schedule a session with me. I work through Zoom or over the phone, and also we can just have a phone call if you have some questions. And register for the class below, Squirting 101. It's at 8 o'clock tomorrow night, and I can't wait to share with you more, ladies, how to have the natural facial, the natural massage. This whole body orgasm is a great way to also feel more joy, more peace, more grounded, how to get out of your head and get into your body. Have a beautiful day, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also just message me if you have any other questions about sexuality, self-love first, intimacy, how to open up more, and how to just have a more fulfilling sexual life with yourself and with your partner.